Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. Today I will show you my pack. Link in description. Tara. Yes, that's my texture pack. Ano lang yan dahil texture pack ko din yan. Let's take a moment. Click na natin tong play, ah. Ayun na po. Tayo na natin nag-loading. Yan na guys. Sheesh. Look at that texture pack, man. Look at my skin. I'm just a hero burn. Now let's go play. Yes, I'm using the new control. I'm just noob at this game, so don't try to ever laugh me. Look at that sky, man. Dinakorek ko yan, man. Sorry for the lag.
Dahil pa rin kalaro ka.
King. Let me show my toilet. Oh my god, sorry for the lag. Sorry for the lag. I'm just lagging. Let me show you my bridge. Oh, ito. Hey man, you are a cheater. You are a cheater. In my old, I'm sorry for the lag. In my old video, I'm so proud. Please check my other video. There you go.
Boing. Kulo.
In the next tutorial, I will show you how to download, how to download resources pack or texture pack. Let's go. Uy, nahuhulog pa yun, ah. Let me breathe.
Mga baboy.
Sorry for the lag. Ay, sorry. Now I show you how to download this. Sorry. Let me cancel my Roblox. Download mo to. Yan. I will show you the tutorial tomorrow.
Pulo.
Pag nandito ka na, click mo tong click mo tong resources. Pwede kang pumunta sa drawing, community, click mo tong PPP, 32, yan. O shaders. I like PVP, so PVP. Find that what you like. I think I found something. Ito. Click mo lang to. Click mo lang siya. Click mo tong download. Click mo tong download. May ads dyan. Click mo lang tong close. Yan. Click mo lang yan close. Access the item. Click mo tong ano na to. Play ata. Click mo tong export to game. Then you will directly go to Minecraft. There. Let me wait. Yan na. Deloading na.
Where do I go now?
If you follow the valley down about 20 meters, there's a cliff and a rope bridge. We are moving to the opposite side now, too. The mission will be complete once you get there.
Click mo tong option. Or sa settings, pag wala kang ganito. Scroll down until you find global resources. Deactivate ko lang. Punta tayo dito, shadow, yan. And, ando mo na. Tayo mo na lang.
Ang galing.
Be careful. It's slippery.
Okay.
Okay, click mo tong play.
Ang galing.
Click mo tong server. Scroll down. Click the hive. And click join. In my next video, I will show you how to dominate the new control on the Minecraft.
Buhay ka tayo. Buhay. Portal yata kalaban. Ayun, no? Mga buhay mo. Dami buhay. Mga patay na yung buhay. Tapos biglang nabuhay buhay. Mga immortal talaga buhay.
Okay. Oh, look at that. This is my settings. Click mo tong settings. Punta ka sa... Punta ka sa touch. Ito yung ano ko. Camera sensitivity is 46 sensitivity. Yan. Ngayon na lang. Yung sa video. Yan, ganyan. Yan, 80 out of 2 yan. Yan. You need to turn it off. Or you like to turn this off. And ano to? If you want to. Now you can feel a lot smoothly. Now let's go. Oh, look at that totem, man. Now let's do this. Let's dominate these people. Bruh, I'm not a hacker. Okay, naglag ulit. And we get nothing. So let me bridge, man. Let me bridge. Oh my god, I just get... I'm so lag, man. I'm laggy. Wait. Wait. The diamonds. Bro, pick up the diamonds.
Thank you for your hard work. Now we can leave together.
What exactly are you saying? Leave together.
Bro, let me practice.
This is simply incredible.
Job well done.
It's a surprise that you would love a woman and a daughter that you two have. While you were working undercover.
Let me practice a clutch.
I applaud you for putting your
Black
life
clutch.
to protect your own daughter. Who are you?
Oh,
I'm Kim Jong-un.
you know,
Seeing what you're capable of, sure would seem like you lost your memory. Stop laughing. I want my memory back.
Go on, sit down. Once the device implanted in your ear is removed, you'll get your memory back. Trust me, I
So lag. Why I'm so lag? Kita sana.
I'm going to open the stitches. This will hurt a bit. What's going on? Lieutenant General! Where are you taking Carter? Tell me.
Look here, Hunter. Don't make a scene. Stand down.
But you made us a promise. Leave this country after Carter had finished the mission.
That deal is between you and the party. I have never made such a promise.
Then what does that mean?
Put her in the car.
What do you think you're doing with me?
Love. I always feel sad
Oh.
when that word. What is it? He's so cruel. Who that Comrade Han Chi, the most competent female comrade in the North, could now find herself struggling down in the gutter. Huh?
Look, just make your point.
Oh no. But
I knew it from the first moment. The virus spread. It was completely rotten Dutch. All those pricks in South Korea who only think about money. And even those arrogant American imperialist bastards can be destroyed in one strike. It's a once-in-a-lifetime chance from the heavens.
okay, I place a block now.
Wait, are you ahead of the coup in the North?
Comrade Han, listen, let's create a new world together.
No, I place a block, but ano?
Hey, the bastard's awake.
You American traitor. So you're finally awake.
Where are you taking me?
Just keep quiet. Your wife will make the decision.
My wife.
If you had never shown up here, your comrade First Lieutenant Hunt, who I once loved, this might have been my wife.
Ah!
Go on. Get out. Move it, pal. What are you looking at?
Uy! Nice job, man. I great.
Enjoy that breath. It'll be your last. Who knows, huh?
Oh my god, I'm cracking, man.
Next 5 ages. Or you might become barbecue in this fire. Don't worry though, it'll be decided soon. Comrade Hero, if you've been good to your wife, you might live.
Okay.
Pick up the phone.
Sheesh. Uy. Not counted.
Yeah. Waiting to be thrown into the pit. What's the order? Yes, sir. Kim Jong-hyun, tell me where. Yes. He's at the City Region Chemical Factory biochemical facilities. About 1.5 kilometers.
Bye-bye, guys. Bye. See you break time now.